Welcome to this tutorial about basic interactive dashboard concepts. We will be talking about what a dashboard is, what a filter is, and other things you need to know about interactive dashboards. After viewing this video, you'll be able to describe a dashboard, define a filter, and analyze data. Now let's cover some dashboard basics. A dashboard is an interactive tool that allows the user to extract and analyze relevant insights while displaying information in a visual way. Analysis is performed with the aid of an interactive dashboard is easier and quicker than scrolling through multiple views and lots of data. A filter is a button that can be clicked to display data the way you want it to be displayed in a table or chart in Tableau. In Excel and Power BI, the same thing is called a slicer. Now we are going to go through some examples of dashboards and how to use the filters in the dashboards. These dashboards are examples only. The dashboard you work with will likely be different, but the principles are the same. Just a note, I'm using Chrome as my browser here, but other browsers should work. If you ever have difficulty with viewing a dashboard, try switching your browser because that may resolve the issue. The first dashboard we have here has 3 separate filters, one for past due category, one for region, and one for restaurant type. Click on each category you are interested in. Hold down the Control key or Command key if using a Mac to make more than one choice. If you do not make a selection in a particular chart, the default is all categories. As you click on one chart, the other charts in this visualization change. At any point, you can refresh your browser to reset all filters. You can mouse over each of the data points to see the data underlying that visualization. In the second dashboard, we select one or more categories for plant and one or more product groups. Again, hold down the Control key or Command key if using a Mac to make more than one choice. Note that sometimes you may have to scroll through a chart to see all the categories. In this next dashboard, we have a drop-down filter in the upper right corner. Just click on the down arrow to make your selection. The related charts will change as you make your changes in the filter. In this last dashboard, we see an example of a slider bar to change the category. You can just click the forward and back arrows to scroll through the categories. Once you click, give it a minute to change the chart. We just saw several examples of the types of filters that may be present in a dashboard. A dashboard can have 1, 2, or more filters. There are filter types beyond those shown here, but these examples should give you enough information to get started with reading and interpreting dashboards. Now we come to the thinking and analysis part. Think about the questions that you could ask and get the answers to by using the filter buttons on a dashboard. The information a manager or other user of the dashboard needs can be retrieved just by clicking on one or more filters. It's that easy. These same dashboard concepts can be applied when using another tool such as Power BI or Excel. It is much easier to use a dashboard than digging through multiple sheets of data. That's it. We're done with this video. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Wendy Tietz. Have a great day.